Mason.
Mason. Kiss Kaylin. Mason. You rascal. You're giving her kisses. Oh my goodness, you need to stop. You're so lovable, Mason. Look at how he holds your face. Oh, Papa. Love you. Oh my gosh, Mason. He's licking your head. Oh, he gives her kisses because he loves her.
Kisses, Mason. Kisses.
Oh, Mason, we love you. You're 2.5 months old and you're a little rascal. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mason, or you're too busy looking at me.
Mm-hmm.
I think